Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw? Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started! For today's video, we're gonna learn how to use the term po and opo. Number 1, opo. O, po. Opo, meaning yes in a respectful way. So when the question being asked can only be answered with yes, you respond with opo. For example, someone asked me, "Are you May?" I would respond with opo. And the second one is po. Po. It is a term used to convey respect or politeness, especially when speaking to elders or individuals in authority. It does not have a direct translation, but it serves a similar function to adding sir or ma'am in English, although it's used more broadly and can be added to various types of sentences and not just those addressing someone directly. Example number 1. Mabuti po ako. Mabuti po ako. Mabuti po ako, meaning I'm good or I'm fine in respectful way. Example 2. Kamusta po? Kamusta po? Kamusta po, meaning how are you, but in respectful way. Example number 3. Ano po ang pangalan mo? No po ang pangalan mo? Ano po ang pangalan mo? Meaning, what's your name? But in respectful way. Example 4. Ako po si May. Ako po si May. Ako po si May. Meaning, I'm May or my name is May in respectful way. Example number 5. Salamat po. Salamat po. Salamat po. Meaning, thank you in respectful way. Thank you for learning with me and hope to see you soon. Paalam!